In an age where the world is constantly evolving, it's alarming to realize that a staggering majority of students are still unsure about their career path. Studies show that more than half of college students change their major at least once, and many high school students feel lost when asked about their future plans. It's become clear that the old ways of education, where students were funneled down a narrow path of study, are no longer serving our future generations. Enter the new education policy. A breath of fresh air in the world of academia, this policy is changing the game by offering a wider array of subjects and a more holistic approach to education. Remember when students were limited to studying traditional subjects such as math, science, and languages? Those days are now history. The Central Board of Secondary Education, for instance, now offers a whopping 16 subject options. These range from the conventional mathematics and science to more contemporary subjects, such as artificial intelligence and entrepreneurship. This broad spectrum of subjects allows students to align their education with their interests and career goals, providing them with a well-rounded knowledge base. The benefits of this new education policy are manifold. Firstly, it empowers students to explore varied fields, from technology and humanities to arts and social sciences. As a result, it fosters critical thinking and prepares students for the diverse career opportunities of the future. Moreover, the inclusion of subjects like artificial intelligence is a reflection of the changing landscape of technology. It equips students with the skills necessary to thrive in a world where technology is increasingly prevalent. Similarly, subjects like entrepreneurship instill business acumen, while psychology and sociology deepen understanding of human behavior and societal dynamics. In essence, this new policy is redefining education, making it more comprehensive, and catering to the individual interests and career aspirations of students. It's a revolutionary step towards preparing our future generations for the diverse career opportunities that await them. Yet, it can be overwhelming for students to navigate this wide array of choices. That's where career guidance counselors like Subhashini come into play. With tools like AI, they assist youth in making informed decisions about their educational and professional journeys. Subhashini's website, careertest.in, is an excellent resource for students seeking advice and support. In conclusion, the future of education and career opportunities under the new education policy is promising. It's a world where students are no longer confined to traditional paths, but are empowered to explore, learn, and grow in diverse fields. And with guidance from experts like Subhashini, they can unlock their full potential and chart a successful career path.